Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are reviewing this beautiful spring collection from Glam. This is the Macaroon collection inspired by Paris. 10 beautiful spring shades plus a new funfetti top coat. Now these shades are so gorgeous. What I love about them the most is that they are all beautiful pastels. There are so many shades in this collection, 10 beautiful pinks, greens, yellows. I was absolutely thrilled to get this collection in the mail. It's so gorgeous. The colors are so creamy, so buttery, and I really think there is a color in here for everybody. Honestly, this color was like one of my absolute favorites. I really loved the blues, the purples, the greens. Honestly, I wish I could use all these colors, and I pretty much did for today's tutorial. This color was like my favorite. You guys are gonna love this collection. Definitely be sure to check down below for my discount code. This collection launched March 1st, so it is still available on their website, and y'all, this is definitely a must-have. Alright, and last but not least in this collection, there is a brand new top coat. This is a funfetti top coat, and y'all, the glitters they chose for this are absolutely stunning. I love the circle glitters. They're so fun and whimsical, and honestly, this would go with every single color in this collection, and I think this would be really pretty even on a black nail. So genius, and honestly, I cannot wait to use this all the time. So now we're getting into the nails. I'm going to be taking these full cover nail tips from Dice Girls Nails. And what I love about these tips are they are a natural medium length square. Now I'm just going to prep with this Young Nails primer. These tips already do come primed, so you definitely do not have to prime them further. I just find that when I do this prep with the Young Nails, my nails stay on for a very long time. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Glam base coat. I do already have a layer of base coat on my natural nails. And I'm just going to put a little bit inside the nail tip. And then what I'm going to do is do the après style, the pre-dupe method, and just cure this underneath my nail lamp for about 15 seconds. So once I cured those, you'll see I'm just making sure it's completely cured. And I am using one of those overhead nail lamps. Sorry for being out of focus. And then I'm just going to do the rest of my hand. So once my hand is done, I am just going to go ahead and clean up the sides. This is something I do just because once I start doing my gel polish application, I don't want to have to go back in and do any filing. So now I'm just going to take my nail drill, and I am going to go around my cuticles and make sure my cuticles are nice and sealed. I want to say I'm using about a 180 grit file, maybe 100 grit file. And that way I'm just able to clean up any excess gel that might have escaped when I did my après style method. You could definitely go in and file the whole nail with this same drill bit. I am going to go back in with a soft side to a nail buffer, and I'm going to buff the shine off these nails. I do want to say I'm so happy you guys are watching my channel. I'm really trying to be consistent nowadays. I feel like I say this in every video because I'm manifesting it. Even if I'm not consistent, I really am trying to speak it out into existence and kind of get this going. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and buff my nails, just buff off any shine that's on them. This is gonna give you a nice even surface for your gel polish. That way you don't have any lumps or bumps or any scratches in your nails. And I get these little files from Shein. I actually do have a Shein haul on my channel that I haven't posted yet. I wasn't sure if I should post it just because I got some of the stuff back in like January and I know it's like March. So definitely let me know if you still want to see it anyway, just for the vibes, because I can definitely upload it for you guys. So once our nails are buffed, I'm just taking a lint-free wipe with some alcohol on it and cleaning up any extra debris. You're going to want to do this if you're using gel polish because you want your base to be nice and smooth. So once we're nice and smooth, I am going to go in with this rubber base coat. Now I got this from Amazon and honestly I got it for the color, but this is kind of a 2-in-1 product. It's pretty much a nice rubber base and adds strength to your nails, but this also adds a nice sheer wash of color. And I'm only gonna do about 1 layer of this. I'm just gonna do a nice even coat, and as you can see, it is a little bit on the thicker side, so definitely kind of let it self-level before you go ahead and cure your nails. And y'all, let me know down below if you like the white backgrounds. I find the white is nice and easy on the eyes, that way the nails pop. But let me know if it's a little too boring. Obviously, I want you guys to be enjoying watching my videos, so let me know if you prefer to have more of like a backdrop for the videos as opposed to just almost a white marble background. Alright, so once that base coat's been applied to all the nails, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off that sticky layer with some more alcohol, and then we're going to get into the nail art. So I finally found my palette, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of the colors on this palette that come in this collection. Once again, they are 10 beautiful colors inspired by Macaroons, also inspired by Paris. So definitely make sure, if you guys are interested in these beautiful shades, you check them out on Madam Glam's website, and don't forget to use my link below because it does help me, you guys. So once we have our colors swatched, I did some practice nails off camera, but today we're gonna go for a soft floral look. So we're making these little flowers using different sizes of dotting tools. Now, I won't even lie to you guys, these flowers seem like they're so easy to do when you watch other people do them, but it actually takes a lot of trial and error. Maybe it's just me and I'm just not super like artistic, but I definitely struggled a little bit doing these flowers, but it was all worth it because these nails are so pretty to me. So as you'll see, I'm just going in and choosing random different shades, and then I'm alternating different colors for the center of the flowers and for the flower petals themselves. And as y'all are gonna see, I did just do different shapes on the nails. Definitely, if you only like one style, do your own thing. So I'm gonna go in, and as you'll see, I'm kind of just alternating between different dotting tools, different sizes. I really like how the big flowers and little flowers all look together. I thought it was a really sweet look. So once I have my flowers on, I'm going back in with a tiny dotting tool, and I'm just adding small dots. And to me, this honestly gave the look so much depth. And the dots are all different colors. And once I'm done, I'm carrying it in the lamp for about 30 seconds. So now we're moving on, and we're doing pretty much the same thing for the rest of the nails. I'm just going to alternate shapes. For this nail, I'm doing about like an angled row of flowers. For another nail, I'm doing all flowers. So definitely keep watching. And for this, I think it would look really pretty if you switched up the flowers and did some with dots, some with, brush strokes. Once I learn how to do the brushstroke flowers, I will definitely film a video. But I do want to know, how have you all been? I hope everyone's having a good year so far. Obviously, we just had daylight savings time, and y'all, I don't know if it's like, I don't know what it is, but I feel like it threw me for a complete loop. I feel like I've been having such a rough week. I wanted to get this video up on Monday, but now it is Tuesday, and I'm just doing the voiceover, so yeah, it's been a rough start, but I'm hoping this year is gonna be good for everybody. I know last year was tough for a lot of people, so I'm hoping, things will start calming down with COVID, and I'm hoping that, we're just gonna get back to normal and just live our lives. Hopefully that can happen. I know obviously there's so much going on in the world, and there's so many crappy things happening all at once, so hopefully this year can kind of improve, because so far it's kind of ghetto. So for my pinky and my thumb, I just decided I wanted to do some of those dots. I really like how those dots turned out. I thought they were so cute, and I even think doing a full nail of just the dots would have been adorable. These colors are definitely giving me Easter spring vibes. I would love to do like a really cute kind of like kawaii style Easter nails with just cute little colors and ducks and chicken, I don't know, rabbits, whatever Easter kind of, animals you're used to seeing. I would love to do a really girly kind of fun set. Let me know if you guys like kawaii nails. I've done them once before, and I really liked doing them. I thought it was outside of my comfort zone. It was a lot on my hands, but honestly, for special occasions, it's not that bad. So let me know if y'all want to see something like that. I would really love to be up for the challenge and do something a little bit different. And for these nails, you honestly don't need so many different dotting tools. One thing is dotting tools are pretty inexpensive and you can get them in a large pack like I did, but you can definitely just use one dotting tool. So once those are all done, of course, I had to go in with this confetti top coat. I actually considered not using it for some reason, just because I wanted to keep this design simple. But what I love about this top coat is that the glitters are very evenly distributed and you really don't get them clunked up in one area, which does not take away from your design. So I really love this top coat, and y'all, it's actually very shiny. This is obviously a couple days after I filmed this video and my nails still have a lot of shine to them and the glitters are still super sparkly. So I really love that this top coat was so nice and just very consistent. So I highly would recommend you guys buy this because it is very, very cool, and not many brands make like custom top coats. I don't know why, because if I had my own nail company, I would definitely make some kind of custom glitter, top coats. I think it's so cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some cuticle oil. I couldn't find my Madam Glam cuticle oil, so I'm gonna just use this Young Nails Rose cuticle oil. But yes, y'all, I loved these nails. They are so girly and so soft. I really hope you like how these turned out, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to check out these polishes down below. Bye, love you guys.